Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Porsche Cayenne window switch. This is a straightforward task that you can accomplish with a few basic tools. First, gather your plastic trim removal tools and a T30 Torx driver. It is crucial to have the correct new window switch assembly for your specific model. Always park your vehicle on a flat, safe surface before starting any work to ensure stability and ease of access. Now, let's get started by accessing the switch. Begin by carefully prying up the armrest from its mounts using a plastic trim removal tool. It is held by a series of clips. Next, remove the trim panel located below the armrest, also secured by clips. You will then use a T30 Torx driver to remove the single screw positioned behind the door handle. Finally, pull the door handle straight out to give yourself ample flexibility and room to work. With the trim pieces out of the way, you can now lift the mounting plate, with the window switch still attached, up and out using your trim removal tool. Once accessible, press the small tab on the electrical connection and separate it from the old switch. Next, compress the 4 clips that secure the old switch to its mounting plate to release it. Finally, install your new switch into the mounting plate and firmly reconnect the electrical wiring harness. To finish, reassemble everything in reverse order. Reinstall the mounting plate, the door pull, and all the trim pieces, ensuring they clip securely into place. Once everything is back together, start your vehicle to teach the window's end positions. Pull the rocker switch up until the window is fully closed, then pull it up again to store the upper position. Similarly, press the rocker switch down until the window is fully open, then press it down again to store the lower position. Your new switch is now ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.